Hello, in the previous tutorial, we learned about the concat.js, concat method. So now let's talk about copy within method in JavaScript. Copy within is a method in JavaScript. JavaScript is used to copy a portion of an array to another location within the same array. It modifies the original array in place and does not create a new array. It takes three parameters. One, target. The second is a start, and the last one is end. Let's start to visualize what is um, the three parameter of the copy within. So the first is the target. So as you can see here, we have a guidelines here. Target is a number. So the data type of the first parameter is a number. Then the second parameter is the start, and the last one is end. The end. As you can see here, there's a question mark after the word of end. It means this is optional. So it means this is optional if we are not putting a value in the third parameter. The copy within assume that the length of our array is the end of our copy within um, method or the last. So let's create a sample so we can deep understand what is the what how copy within works. So let's create numbers a numbers here. Let's put a five element inside and five element. Then let's use these numbers inside of copy within. So the first argument is a target. So the target of our modified array is, let's say, the first index, and the start value that I want here is number four. So this is index number three, and and the last and the end, I'm intentionally not putting the end so we can test if the last parameter of copy within will work even we are not putting a value inside of our copy within parameter. And then let's console.log these numbers. Save it, run the code. So as you can see here, the output of our number our or the value of our numbers variable was modified by by the first index is 4, the second is 5. Since I'm telling the method of copy within that um in my in my first parameter, since this is a target, I want my target is in the 0 index, and then my start value that I want to get is this number 4 is a third index of our array. So we got a result that we are expecting. So this is our result. So this is how we use copy within. If we want to modify the original array in a place and we want to copy a portion of element inside of our array and don't want to create another array. So uh, I hope I explained the copy within method and you learn about this one. If you have any suggestion and other clarification, you can message our comment in our comment section. Okay, thank you and bye bye.